What would it be like if the beauty of our city reflected the beauty of its people? The beauty of you, your family, your friends. We have an opportunity to focus our collective energies and move our city in that very direction during the Rockford ShareFest 2015 project. This year, Rockford ShareFest will be focusing all of its attention on a major initiative in our city called Forest City Beautiful. Beginning on Friday, May 29th, for 9 consecutive days, 3 shifts per day, we are going to roll up our sleeves, get our hands dirty, and bring help and hope in beautiful ways to our downtown. Our downtown is rich in history, but it's also becoming the center of our future. With restaurants, shops, the start of a new indoor sports arena, planned hotels, and gatherings like City Market, Friday Night Flicks, concerts and shows, it's truly the place where people from all parts of our region and all walks of life come together. It's a place where beauty should abound. So, I'm inviting you, create some beauty this spring. Mark your calendar, sign up to volunteer, and come downtown. Let's make sure that our city reflects the beauty that lies within each of us.